Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to talk about how can you fix Windows license will expire soon error in your Windows PC. This might occur in case you have already purchased the license but still you are getting this error. So in only those cases, the solution would work. If you have still not purchased the license and it is giving you this kind of error message, then you need to actually purchase an authenticated license in that case. So let's see what steps we can take in this regard. So the first thing we are going to do is we are going to make sure that we are in your task manager. So we need to make some changes over there. So for this, right click on the tab, the taskbar, and go to the task manager. Once in the task manager, you can expand this task manager window and you need to search for Windows Explorer in the apps. Once you find Windows Explorer, then what you need to do is just right click and click on end task. So Windows Explorer task would end, and then you need to go to file, run new task, and here just type in explorer.exe, then click on OK, and that's it. Your Windows Explorer has been recreated. Here if you see, Windows Explorer has been recreated, and that should solve your issue. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.